So what's up, you guys? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. So Target has some really cute stuff right now too. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you like a couple bonus things that I did not get at Target but are still Christmas related, but are not enough things to have its own video. So I'm gonna start with the all the stuff I got at Target. And again, like I'm gonna be trying to do maybe like smaller hauls that come up, like that I post faster so that you guys can shop them right away, because especially this time of year, I think that it's better to do that because of everyone's buying stuff. So you have a better chance of being able to find the item and purchase it if I get these up faster than if I wait and I have like a whole bunch of stuff and then post it, and then by the time it gets up, it's already gone. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna do that with a haul, like a winter haul for Nova's clothes. So that'll be coming really soon too. And just that way, like I said, if there is a sale going on when I purchase these things, you're more likely to catch that and catch the item actually in stock before it sells out, because stuff has been selling out like crazy. So plus, if you want to order any of this stuff, shipping times are insane. I ordered some stuff for Nova's Christmas pictures from H&M, and it said 11 business days was like the time, and I ordered it with plenty of time, and it's now saying it's going to come on the day of her pictures. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it gets here the day before on Friday, because Saturday are the pictures and I really need the stuff that I ordered. So say a little prayer for me, because that is like mom life, you know? You try to like plan everything so good, and then that happens, and literally on the day of. So anywho, okay, so I got a couple of these super cute little star ornaments from the Target Dollar Spot, and they only had 2. So I got them, and I'm gonna keep trying to check back for some more, but I thought they were so cute. I love these so much, and like $1 each. You cannot beat that. So if you guys go to Target, definitely check out the Dollar Spot for like ornaments, gift wrap, gift boxes, stuff like that. I got these gift boxes right here from, trying not to get the glare for you guys, for like clothes obviously, or you could put even like toys, whatever, anything that can fit in this box, you can put in this box, and you can wrap it like as is, like I was saying with that like black and white string would be so cute, or you can wrap it with actual paper. So, and getting these 2 shirt boxes for $1, like that is so good. So I did pick up 2 packs of those, because you cannot be prepared enough with wrapping stuff, and it's never too early. I also got this really cute gift bag, and I don't even know what I need this for yet, but it was just so cute to pass up. So I picked it up, because if I'm not going to use it this year, I'll use it next year. Then I also got this set of ornaments here. It's really, really cute. Let's see if I can get close so you guys can really see like the detail. They're really cute. And now these are glass, so these I'm gonna ship to my sister. Make a little, like I was saying in my other video, I'm gonna make like a little holiday cheer box for her. And so these are one of the things that I'm gonna send to her, because it just is really pretty, and it can go with any kind of style. Like if you did more rustic, this could go with it. If you did more like classic and, you know, like all the glitz and like glitter, it can go with that. It can go with just really anything, any colors. That's why I didn't get the ones that were like red or green or anything, because in case she wants to switch up her like color scheme, those can do anything. So I really thought those were so cute. Okay, and then I got this out of the Target Dollar Spot as well, and as you can see, you can do the handprint or the snowflake. So like on the back is the little snowflake, and it comes with everything you need to do this little craft. I'm gonna put this in the little holiday cheer bucket for Nova, and I just thought this would be so fun for her to do, and it would be such a great keepsake for mama. So I just think this would be super fun, and it was really inexpensive, $3. So, you know, cannot beat that. I got Scotch tape. Obviously, you need a lot of tape for this time of year. And then I also got a couple of these little things. I'm probably not going to put both of these in her little thing here, but I just thought these were cute, and they're $1 each. So I got the little unicorn, and then I got the tree with the little birds in there. Super cute, and again, comes with everything that you need to do this little craft for $1. So I'm definitely going to put one of those in her little bucket. And then I also spotted these, which are little stamp sets. So obviously the stamp and the little ink pad both come in there. And these were $1 as well. So I got the snowflake, the star, and then the little holly. So I really just thought these were so cute and so fun for Nova just to do this on paper, you know? Like, I mean, she can make little Christmas cards out of it. Like, I mean, whatever she wants to do with it, you can do. And I liked that you can keep, if the ink pad doesn't last, that's fine. You can just toss that, but keep the stamp for like next year, you know? It's super cool. And then I got a bunch of these cookie cutters because I'm going to put some of these in Nova's little bucket or basket, whatever I end up doing. And I'm going to give these to her to do with Play-Doh. So, I mean, we could always use something like this, I guess, for cookies too. But my idea, at least for some of them, is going to be for the Play-Doh, because these work great for Play-Doh and just so fun. And then these I thought were super cute. They're little ornament hooks, and they have little snowflakes in the middle. So if you don't have a hook, or you want to like just kind of add a little extra festive touch, those I thought were super cute. And they also had the ones that are like swirly, like on top, and then it kind of makes an S and then swirls on the bottom. I love those too. I have a bunch of those. Then I saw this little jacket for my little niece, and she is due on Christmas Day. So this is going to be something I give this year, but it's going to be for next year, because obviously she's going to be tiny and she's not going to wear that this year. And then I also got her some of these little Burt's Bees Jemmies with the little reindeer. They're so cute. Burt's Bees always comes through with the cute Christmas jammies and stuff. Then I got this movie to send to her too, the Polar Express. Last year we all did the Polar Express together, and it was so fun, and I'm so bummed that this year they're not doing the Polar Express. I'm so bummed about that. I got her some of these cookie cutters as well. Got her like a bunch of different ones. And then I got her the same little pack of hooks with the snowflakes. And then I got her a bag of these. If you guys have not tried these hot cocoa kisses, oh my god, they are so good. They are dangerous though. So if you buy them, you need to practice a lot of like self-control, because they are so good. Okay, so that is it from Target. So when I went to my sister's, we went to this holiday, like Christmas decor store. Oh my gosh. And talk about going crazy in there. I mean, you could just go into some major debt. But because I flew there and I had to fly home, I really had to limit what I got there. And so I got this stocking. I got 2 of these because I already have 2. So I thought it would be cute to like mix them in, like do 2 of these. And I have like a cream colored knit one. So I'm going to do like 2 and then 1 or something. I don't know yet. Then I saw these and love them so much. They look so like antique, vintage, so cute. I love it. They're so big. They're like sturdy. And then I got this bucket that says Believe on it. And I just plan to put like some like greenery in this or something. Or even like that birch wood would look so cute. So I'm going to do that with that. And then from Marshalls, I believe. Yes, Marshalls. I got this paper. It says, with love from Santa. So Santa's going to wrap his gifts in this year. It's going to be so cute. And then from a little shop that I found on Instagram, it's called Chalk Designs by Me. I got 2 little signs from this little store, and she like hand cuts the wood, distresses them, and then paints them and writes this by hand. So Santa's cookies, I thought that was just like super cute. I have like a little hutch in my kitchen that I'm gonna decorate, and I love like the sweets and all like the cozy things like that for Christmas. And so I got that one, and then I got the hot cocoa one, and I thought this would just be so cute, like kind of staggered on the little shelving in there, and just adds such a cute little touch. Plus I want to do like just some little pictures with Nova, and I thought it would be so cute to put those in the picture for like a hot cocoa stand or a, you know, whatever. I thought it would be really cute. So that is it. That's what I got from Target and a couple other little random miscellaneous stores. I hope you guys like that. I definitely have many more hauls to come. Like I always say, I feel like I just live on hauls, and I love to shop, and it's just so fun to share with you guys what I got. And if you guys see any other like super cute little holiday goodies out there, like please let me know, because I am always on the hunt. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you know anybody else who would like to see this, please share the video with them. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.